RCAT stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. First of all, RCAT Holdings, the price, in theory, yeah, came down 6.7%. Before I get in further, I've done 35,000 videos. I've spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything, so you don't have to. With RCAT, beautiful bullish trend, and guess like what I'm doing here, like I did it beforehand, of me calling out this long. Here's the proof. Like, no, this is the wrong one. Here it is. So like this video was made a month ago, and you can see how it looked like. You know, this might seem so different, but it's the same thing, just that the background is just different. You know, that's the whole hack, like how the whole thing about that. But now we're coming back down inside our demand as well, and I'm looking for the same exact thing, but the only thing that will again move me forward is my proper double break. And if I don't get the double break, then I'm just not going too long. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.